How to add spoiler tag on Reddit mobile. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the Create option on the bottom center of your screen, and then firstly go ahead and select the community that you want to make a post in, and further go ahead and you will see the option to add tags and flair. Tap on that, and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to see the spoiler tags toggle button. So go ahead and toggle on the spoiler tags toggle button, and with this, spoiler tag will be added. So this is how you can add spoiler tag on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.